Okay, today we're going to do something that we've been neglecting for quite a while. It's in behind me in this shed here is a leaking pressure tee on the manifold to my pressure system. I'm just going to have to get it fixed up. Can't wait any longer. We'll just get the lights turned on here. In the background is my pressure system to run my water to the house. As you can see, there's a little bit of a mist or a spray coming out of that there brass manifold. We're going to have to get on it and get this thing pressure bled down. You can see there's pressure on the gauge there. We'll have to turn it off, drain the water out of it, take this manifold apart, and get this thing fixed up. Can't have this going on all winter. Of course, Tig's got to come in on the action just to be in the road. I don't know what it is about cats. They just, worse than dogs, seem to know how to get in the road. This is the new pressure tee that I picked up while I was in the city. Got it at a Canadian Tire in Red Deer. It's almost the same. These, all these ports are the same. The thing that's different is this here pipe that goes to the tank. The original one has a coupler here, which is down in there. I think we can see it. So we're going to have to make something that adapts into that. It's going to be interesting. The original manifold is of two-piece construction. It actually has a union right at the manifold end there to make it easy for removal and working on. But the one that I bought to replace it is a one-piece construction. On top of that, this original pipe is 1.5 inches, and my manifold I bought is 1.25 inches, so I need to find the right fittings to step that elbow coming out of the tank down to 1.25 inches. Of which I've got, and I'm just going to go ahead and Teflon tape it and get that installed. On top of getting an adapter to bring it down from the size I got on the pressure tee, this here copper line that goes right on up into my filter is a solid, basically a solid line. There's a coupler right there, but what I need is down here at the manifold is another coupler, except that's all been soldered into place. I'm gonna have to get my Sawzall and cut it over here, that area, and buy another coupler, solder it in place so I can couple it together. So easier to put it together and then apart in the future as needed. Okay, I'm glad that I was able to come in here and discover that I have no real excessive leaks. Well, look at that. Luna's got to come in here and discover the same thing. Come on there, girl. I'm gonna reach in behind me here and turn on a extra light. No, you go on outside there, Luna. Okay, as I was saying earlier, I had to go to town and I had to get these this here coupler. I cut that line and soldered that coupler in there, so that's a good fit and it's working. Everything else has been installed to this new pressure tee, except you can see a drip coming out of this here that square drive bung there. That's not the right proper bung that's in there. I'm gonna have to go to town tomorrow morning and get the proper it's supposed to be a valve in there, or a blow down safety valve. So I'll get the proper fittings there to put my safety valve in place, but it's good enough for this evening. I'm thinking this pressure control switch right here. I might have to replace it too, because it doesn't really seem to kick in and out on a regular basis, but it's going to work for this evening. Other than that, everything has been put back into place. That one simple leak, modified the coupler there, the brand new coupler in the line, and looks like we're going to be in business here. This floor should be dry for the winter. So that's it for today. I did a little bit of plumbing, soldering, electrical. I had to rehook my pressure switch in there. And yeah, we'll catch up to you tomorrow there. We're going to be out at the D6 there. Had a problem with it. It ran out of fuel, so we're going to have to replace filters, and we'll get that fired up for tomorrow. Catch you later.